Hi everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. Today I had a ball. I had some lunch with some girlfriends to celebrate my birthday, Big 57. And we had so much fun talking about products and makeup that make us look too old. So I came home today and decided to write a list of the top 10 things that age us. But I couldn't come up with 10. I came up with 32. So I hope you enjoy this today. And as you can see, I'm in my street clothes. And if you're over 50, you know what that means. So let's get started and have a little fun. I have to wear my glasses, gals, because I can't remember 32 things. Number 1, yellow teeth. Number 2, dark lipstick. Number 3, lipstick bleeding into fine lines. Number 4, cracked lips. Number 5, thin lips. Number 6, obvious lip liner. Number 7, fake plumped lips. Number 8, foundation that is too thick or cakey with a demarcation line between chin and neck. Number 9, raccoon eyes. Number 10, streaks of blush. Number 11, ashy face powder. Number 12, looking too tan. Boy, did I do that for a while. Number 13, black eyeliner. Number 14, cracked liquid eyeliner. Number 15, too bright of eyeshadow. Number 16, glittery eyeshadow. Number 17, clumpy hard mascara. Number 18, bushy unkept eyebrows. 19, shapeless brows. Number 20, overly tweezed or too thin brows. Number 21, gray brow hairs. Number 22, too dark hair. Number 23, a solid block of hair color. 24, dull hair. 25, gray hair. 26, gray roots. Yep. 27, ashy blonde streaks. 28, too short of bangs. 29, too long of hair and parted down the middle. That's a real 70s giveaway. Number 30, helmet head. And last but not least, high hair. And I say that with a shout out to a family member. So nothing ages you more, truly, than being a complainer or a whiner. Here's what I need to say to you gals. Keep it real. Ask questions. Be curious. Be grateful. You'll look years younger and people will want to be with you. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. I hope you enjoyed the top 32 things that age you. I look forward to our next adventure.